the concept of new quality productive forces is an innovation concept. That means we need new technology which make a contribution to the economy, a contribution to the global economy also. That means, for example, technologies which we see around here for battery manufacturing, technologies for electrical vehicles, for electrical heating, and these technologies are really the innovations which we need. Also, artificial intelligence, which will have place in everything, especially also in manufacturing. You will see in our factories, also in China, that these factories are on the pinnacle of new technology to show the productivity possible, but also to be able to produce the quality of product which people need. So this is not anymore a manufacturing location, this is an innovation hub. This brings new technology, automated driving, new braking technology, new safety technology for Chinese vehicles, which are the biggest vehicle market of the world, plus a significant export player for other regions. So we have a very good footprint, for example, in China, with all resources we need to really produce and also innovate in China. The collaboration worldwide is necessary for innovation. We should collaborate, and therefore I hope we can also do that in the future.